and gentlemen, I invite you to join me in standing for the induction of Hinerangi Raumati-Tu'ua.
Koenei te wā, ka whakaingoatia ai tēnei tuawahine kaipakihi Māori ki te hōrorongo nui kaipakihi o Aotearoa.
None of this was ever my plan, but I do enjoy the mahi. I really, really enjoy doing the work that I do. So that kind of keeps me motivated, keeps me learning, keeps me aspiring to do a bit more and a bit more.
Ko Hinerangi Raumati-Tu'ua, te hea mana o Tainui Group Holdings i tēnei wā, ko ia te wahine tuatahi hoki, ka pokaua ki te poari whakahaere o Parininihi ki Waitōtara i Taranaki.
And then I got told, well, you're the first woman that's ever been elected. And that really surprised me, because of course I have some incredibly strong aunties in Taranaki. And I thought, gosh, I'm really surprised that none of them have kind of gone before me.
We have to think about the financials, we have to think about the people, we have to think about our social responsibilities and our culture. So all of those things have to be brought together when we think about what we're doing in the post-settlement world, you know, and those things come from the pā, you know.
She is a very worthy recipient, a very worthy inductee, and not just Waikato Tainui should be proud, but we are all proud. We are all very proud to be here with her.
Ko Mavis Mullins, no Ngāti Rangi Nui, Ngāti Rua Nui, me Ngai Te Rangi, he kaiahu whenua rongo nui, he hoa mahi o mua no hoki. Hei tāna, e tika ana tēnei tohu nui whakaharahara mōna.
Because at that stage, the only other Māori woman was Te Puia, my hero. And so to be even held in the same booklet as her was very, very, very humbling, but also how exciting, you know, for Te Ao Māori to be in this space real.
But it's just like being on the marae. The front doesn't work unless the back is working, and that's Hinerangi, and the reason her humility, her loyalty and commitment, not just to Tainui but to Māoridom and actually to Aotearoa.
Ko kahurangi Pānya Tyson Nathan, o Ngāti Kahungunu te tumu whakahaere o tāpoi Māori Aotearoa. E hariko ana kua whakawhiwhia e Raumati-Tu'ua ki tēnei hōnore nui.
Actually, we should see a damehood next for Hinerangi, I think. But anyway, because she's very dame-like.
This leadership isn't of a competitive nature. This isn't to compete with our tāne. This is to work beside them. It's never been a competitive thing, so that again makes me even double proud.
To me, it's the vision that we have for our people, you know, and our people are wherever our people are. So I've double-said on mahi that's contributed to all iwi. I try not to let any of that hold me back in terms of the work that I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and congratulations.
Toko whānake, ngā wāhine Māori, kua whakawhiwhia ki tēnei hōnore nui. Ka tīmata ki a Te Puia Herangi, tuarua mai ko Mavis Mullins, a ko kahurangi Pānya Tyson Nathan. Ka mutu ko Raumati-Tu'ua i nāia nei, katoa mai kei te parahia e rātou i te huarahi hei whai mā ngā reanga e haere ake nei ki te ao pakihi. Maioha Panapa, Aukaha.